Lucy McDonald, physiotherapist. Welcome back to my virtual clinic. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can best manage your knee pain at home. But before I do, please do make sure you see my last video on how to know whether you need to go and see a doctor immediately if you have knee pain. I'm so glad that so many of you have been finding these videos helpful on keeping you and your family healthy at home. Thank you very much for your lovely messages. So, you have knee pain, what should you be doing about it? So the knee responds well to movement and exercise. We know that the body doesn't respond well to just being completely rested. So the more movement that you can do, for example, even if it's just doing a little bit of walking on the spot, then great. Likewise, if you can do some little squats or some sit to stand exercises, then brilliant. And if you can do higher level standing on one leg work, then brilliant. The second thing is to make sure that your knees are working with good alignment. And by that what I mean is your knees, whenever you bend them, go over the centre of your feet. And that includes when you're doing squats, lunges, that kind of thing, but also importantly when you're going up and down stairs and day-to-day activities like that. If they're not, then there's two things that you really need to look at. That's your hip stability and your foot stability, because often knee pain is made better if you sort out the hip and foot stability, as well as the muscles at the fronts of the thighs, the backs of the thighs and the calf muscles. So do make sure that you do those, and I will be doing a special video on my favourite knee exercises. A lot of people ask me about knee braces, and knee braces come down in two categories really. One is braces that give you actual structural support, and for those you really do need to spend a fair bit of money. They need to be made of something like carbon fibre, which will make sure that you reduce any instability in the knee. And then all the way down the other end of the spectrum, the second type of knee brace that I would recommend are just very light neoprene type braces, or for example a tubey grip, something like that, because that helps to give sensory feedback which can both reduce your pain and also help the function of the knee. It can also keep the knee warm, which if you have something like arthritis can really help. Other things that people ask me are, should I be having a massage or using a foam roller? And absolutely, those sorts of things will give short-term relief. But you've got to remember that really long-term, the best thing for knees is exercise. But last but not least, it's really important to think about the recovery and the general health of your body. So things like eating healthily, sleeping properly, managing your stress, all those things will really help to reduce the general level of inflammation in your body and help your body to recover and heal. On the note of inflammation, if you do have a swollen knee, then you should really get it checked out, but also you should be icing it and elevating it. And when you're using ice, make sure that you don't put the ice on for too long, because you can end up with ice burns. Make sure that your leg's elevated with your foot higher than your knee higher than your hip, so that the fluid can drain down and your body can dispose of it. I hope that's been helpful. In my next video, I'm going to tell you what could be causing your pain and more about what you can be doing about it. But I hope that's been helpful. Please do press the subscribe button and send this to anyone that you know who might have knee pain. Thank you. Bye.